Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how to earn money from Idle Empire. Idle Empire is the one of the most earning platform in the world. So guys, you can earn money from Idle Empire. So guys, if you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Then we will go forward. Okay guys, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser and search there idleempire.com. idleempire.com. The link is given in the description box. You can join through directly and register. Okay, now you can create your account, sign up through social media accounts, and you can sign up directly with your email. You need to give your name, email and password. You need to confirm password and click the I'm not a robot and create account and press the create account button. I have already an account, so I will log in directly. Yes, and directly log in. Okay, now you can see the interface of this website. Earn points. Surveys. You can earn points by answering our daily surveys, by completing offers. You can watch unlimited videos from here, and you can invite your friend from referral link and promotions. Olympiad promotions. Here I will show you guys. I have 38 coin, and here I have some withdrawals. Here you can see guys, withdrawals. I have withdraw Bitcoin 2 times. Yes, this is fully legit sites, man. So you can also join this platform and don't miss this opportunity to earn money. Okay guys, if you are new here, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video and comment now. Bye bye, see you in the next video guys.